Starting your graphic design journey can feel challenging, but with a clear plan, you can easily master this creative field. This is your step-by-step guide. Graphic design is an exciting and rewarding career. Let's look at the essential steps to get started and succeed. The first step, just like learning anything new, is adopting the correct mindset. Embrace a learning mindset. Be curious, open to new information, and ready to absorb knowledge continuously. Remember that while parts of graphic design are super interesting, others can be tedious. Be prepared for both to build a well-rounded skill set. Next, you need to understand the fundamentals, which are the foundation of your entire design career. Focus on the basics of design, including space, contrast, alignment, color theory, and visual hierarchy. Having decent knowledge of these core graphic design topics will establish a strong base for your career. The most vital part is getting hands-on with the various graphic design tools available today. Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator are industry standards and must be learned. Then explore others like Canva, GIMP, and Sketch. Once the basics are solid, move on to understanding UI/UX design. UI focuses on visual interfaces, while UX focuses on user interactions and experience. Learning in public is crucial for both sharing your journey and building your professional network. Post everything you learn in design on social platforms, especially LinkedIn and Twitter, where the design community is active. Sharing your work attracts attention, which could lead to job opportunities. Also, take inspiration from top designers in the community. After gaining intermediate knowledge, it's time to apply your skills by creating projects from scratch. Building projects helps you understand the full design process and gives you essential work to showcase in your resume. Consider working for free for startups, social media creators, or local businesses to design artwork, posters, or advertisements. With a decent knowledge base and a portfolio of projects, the next step is seeking formal opportunities. Start building your professional resume and actively apply for internships or entry-level positions in companies and startups. You can also register on freelancing websites like Upwork to start gaining client experience immediately. The journey doesn't stop here. Continuous learning is essential to thrive in the dynamic design world. Stay adaptable, embrace new tools and creative approaches, and consider specializing in areas like motion graphics or UI design to propel your career forward.